Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Dr. Kyle Explains, your YouTube channel where we go through GCSE science content quickly and easily. Today we're going to be going through the development of the periodic table. So if you like the sound of that, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on all bell notifications. Let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so the early periodic tables. Before the discovery of the protons and the neutrons and the electrons, scientists tried to order the elements according to the atomic weights. Early tables were incomplete, and by following atomic weights, elements were placed in the wrong groups. Okay, so for your GCSE, you need to be able to compare the two main tables from the scientists Dmitry Mendeleev and John Newlands. Now remember, comparing means find similarities and differences. So let's have a look. So I've summarized this here in a table for you below. Please do pause the video and copy this down if you feel like you need this information. Both of them arranged their elements according to the atomic weights. Now this was the wrong thing to do, and it led to errors in both of the men's tables. The modern periodic table is not ordered this way. Both of them also left out the noble gases. Now the noble gases are unreactive, and scientists in general had not yet discovered any of the noble gases because they are so unreactive, and so neither Dmitry or John knew to include them within their table. Both of them also added more than one element into the same box. Now, John Newlands included compounds and mixtures and metals and non-metals within his table, whereas Mendeleev swapped the order of some of the elements around. Now, Mendeleev did this, and this led to a better model of the periodic table. The famous example is tellurium and iodine. If you take the atomic weights of tellurium and iodine, you will find that iodine should go into group 6 and tellurium should be in group 7. But Mendeleev recognised that iodine had similar properties to the other elements already placed in group 7, and so he decided to place iodine into a different group. Finally, Mendeleev's table was more accepted by other scientists, and this was because Mendeleev left gaps for undiscovered elements, and he predicted the properties of some of these elements. Absolutely incredible for that time. When these elements were then discovered, people realised that he was correct because the properties matched these predictions. Okay, so the modern periodic table now. Knowledge of the isotopes allowed scientists to understand why the order of the atomic weight did not work. The table is now arranged according to the atomic number. Groups show how many electrons are on the outer shell, and the periods show how many shells there are on an element. Okay, so what we've managed to achieve today is we've described how the modern periodic table is arranged. We've also described the work of Newlands and Mendeleev in the development of the periodic table. Thank you very much for watching. Please do check out my other videos on my playlist for more help with your GCSE. And remember, if you're ever struggling for a reason or understanding in your GCSE science, Dr. Kyle Explains. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.